Welcome back to Tools Inspector, your go-to spot for the coolest, smartest, and most useful tools on the market. If you love woodworking, carpentry, or just discovering amazing gadgets, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down 10 genius tools that'll take your craftsmanship to the next level. So grab your tape measure, hit that like button, and subscribe for more tool-packed videos every week. Now, let's jump straight into it. Number 1. Laser Measuring Tool, 262 feet with Digital Angle Finder. Say goodbye to manual measurements and errors forever. This laser measuring tool offers up to 262 feet of range with pinpoint accuracy. It features a 2.4-inch color backlit display, a digital angle finder, and rechargeable power for nonstop work. You can switch between 6 measurement units, feet, inches, meters, and more in seconds. Perfect for builders, DIYers, and professionals who demand speed, precision, and convenience. Number 2. Framing Tools, 16-inch on-center stud layout tool. Simplify framing with this 100% cast aluminum stud layout tool built for perfect spacing. Designed for on-center accuracy, it helps you mark studs fast and with professional precision. It's lightweight yet extremely durable, making it ideal for rough job site conditions. No more guesswork. Every layout comes out square and perfectly aligned. An absolute must-have for framers and builders looking for speed and flawless results. Number 3. Stair Tread Template Tool, Dual Solid Nut Locking Jig. Creating perfect stair treads has never been easier. This dual-lock stair tread jig allows you to capture every step angle with exact precision. Constructed from durable metal and smartly designed for easy adjustment on the go. It's perfect for remodeling pros and DIYers who want clean, even stairs every time. A true time saver that transforms complex stair work into a quick, accurate process. Number 4. Kreg Pocket Hole Jig, KPHJ 520 Pro. Meet the KPHJ 520 Pro, one of Kreg's most advanced and portable pocket hole jigs ever made. It's designed for high-strength joints and easy alignment, even on large panels. With quick adjust settings and a sturdy build, it delivers professional joinery in minutes. Compatible with multiple materials, from soft woods to dense hardwoods. If you want rock-solid connections with minimal effort, this is your go-to jig. Number 5. Heavy-duty laminate / vinyl floor cutter, NAACOO 13-inch. Cut laminate and vinyl flooring cleanly with this NAACOO 13-inch floor cutter. The sharp blade and precision guide allow one-step cutting with both angle and length control. Its durable construction ensures stability and long-lasting performance on every job. Forget electric saws. This tool works quietly, dust-free, and efficiently. It's the perfect tool for flooring installers who value speed and precision. Number 6. Kreg Rebel 20V Ionic Drive Pocket Hole Joiner Kit. Step into the future with a Kreg Rebel 20V Pocket Hole Joiner Kit. This cordless powerhouse gives you professional-grade joinery anywhere, anytime. It comes with a blue-ion charger and 2 battery pack for consistent, long-lasting power. The ergonomic grip and advanced drilling system make every joint fast and flawless. It's innovation, freedom, and craftsmanship all rolled into one portable joiner. Number 7. Sili Sleeve Silicone Saw Blade Protector 3-pack. Protect your expensive blades with a Sili sleeve storage system. Each silicone sleeve fits snugly around 10-inch circular or miter saw blades. It prevents chips, rust, and accidental damage when blades are stored or transported. Soft, flexible, and heat-resistant, yet tough enough to handle job site abuse. A simple, smart solution that extends the life of your blades and keeps you safe. Number 8. LogOX 3-in-1 Forestry Multitool. Handle heavy logs like a pro with a LogOX 3-in-1 Forestry tool. This patented American-made design works as a log hauler, cant hook, and timberjack. It's built to reduce back strain and boost productivity during firewood harvesting. Durable, versatile, and made to last through years of rugged use. The LogOX truly redefines what a multi-tool for log work can do. Number 9. Bucket Boss, the Bucketeer Tool Organizer. Turn any bucket into a complete tool-carrying system with a Bucketeer. Made from heavy-duty canvas, it fits most standard 5-gallon buckets perfectly. Features multiple deep pockets for wrenches, drivers, pliers, and more. Whether you're on-site or in your garage, everything stays organized and ready. It's the ultimate grab-and-go solution for pros and DIYers alike. Number 10. ToughBuilt Folding Pole Saw TB H4-21-2X. Compact, powerful, and built to last. That's the ToughBuilt Folding Pole Saw. Its razor-sharp blade folds safely into a durable handle for easy transport. Delivers precise, effortless cuts through wood, PVC, and even soft metals. Ideal for quick jobs, trimming, or tight spaces where power tools can't reach. A true essential for any woodworker who values precision and portability.